Hello everyone, in this video I have a problem here, and I apologize if I haven't been posting much, but here I'm going to be showing you guys two different methods to solve this problem. One is a little bit faster, but you cannot really see the difference with this problem for the two different ways, because this problem itself is just pretty simple. But when you have to solve problems similar to this problem, but it is a lot more complicating, one of the ways to solve it will be a lot easier. And I'm going to solve it to you guys in a little bit harder way. It's not that hard, it's just it'll take longer for more complicating problems similar to this. So when we have the polynomial x cubed plus ax squared minus x plus b, and it is divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2, and the remainder is 0, but we don't know what the quotient is, so we're just going to put it as qx, and since the remainder is 0, it's just plus 0. Notice that we can factor this. We're going to solve for a and b. I forgot to mention that. We're going to solve for a and b. And we're going to first factor out this x squared minus 3x plus 2 into x minus times x minus 1 multiplied by qx. And now it's very simple from here. We can set x is equal to 2. If we set x is equal to 2, then that will be 8 plus, we're putting into here, 8 plus 4a minus 2 plus b. That is just 4a plus b plus 6 is equal to, if we put x is equal to 2 here, everything is gone. So that's 0. And now if we substitute x as 1, we will get 1 plus a minus 1 plus b. So that is a plus b is equal to, again, if we put x as 1, everything will disappear, that making 0. Now if we subtract this equation by x plus b is equal to 0, subtract it, then the b's will cancel out and we will be left with 3a plus 6 is equal to 0, and that gives us a is equal to minus 2. Now we can put into this question. I will rewrite it back here. And if we put in a is 2, we get b is equal to 2. So this is one way to solve it. Now the second way of solving this problem is a little bit easier. We're going to write this except without the variable x. We're just going to write out the constants. So the constant of x cubed is 1, because there's an invisible 1 right in front of it. And the constant for x squared is a. The constant for x is minus 1. And we are left with the constant x to the power of 0, right? X to the power of 0 is just 1, so the constant will be b. And we're going to divide it by x squared minus 3x plus 2, but again, we're going to write everything without the variable x. So that will be the constant of x squared is the invisible 1 in front of it, 1, and the constant for x is negative 3. The constant for x to the power of 0 is 2. Just like you would normally do division, we're going to just divide. So we want to get rid of the 1 here so that we can move on. We're going to multiply 1. That will be 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, 2 times 1 is 2, subtract it, and these two cancel out. That will be a plus 3, and this will be minus 3. The b comes down, and now we have to try to get rid of this, so that we're going to multiply a plus 3 with 1. We get a plus 3. Multiply this with minus 3. We get minus 3a minus 9. Multiply this with 2, and we get 2a plus 6. We're going to subtract this. These two cancel out, and we have 3a plus 6. And here we have b minus 2a minus 6. So this is the remainder. This is a remainder, and so this is all of the constants that we will get. And this is the constant for the x. So since this is kind of munched up together, I'm going to rewrite it. 3a plus 6 x plus b minus 2a minus 6. So this is our remainder. I'll just put r. And since we know that the remainder is 0, we're going to set this equal to 0. For this to be equal to 0, and since for this to be equal to 0 for any x, for all values of x, 3a plus 6 will have to be equal to 0, and this will also have to be equal to 0. So the two equations that we get from this remainder is 3a plus 6 is equal to 0, giving us the value for a as negative 2. And this equation, b minus 2a minus 6 is equal to 0. If we put a is negative 2 into here, we get plus 4, so b is 2. So this is the two methods of solving this problem. You can't really tell that this is easier, but like I didn't really have to write this part, I just rewrote it. When you get used to it, you can write a lot less. And yeah, but when the problems get more complicating, you'll see that this method of ways of solving it is a lot easier. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.